Hello everyone.
Everyone.
Welcome back to the Dog and Partridge. If you haven't met it before, one man misses, another man gets. I have never seen the like. Is it a 9 out of 10? Is it a 10 out of 10? It's world famous beer tasting. I've never seen the like. I can't speak. Alan Partridge.
My brother's been watching far too much darts.
I have indeed.
Everyone. Brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
And you. Hello.
I'm guessing you've been watching some darts then.
If you don't know what's going on about there, just watch the best leg of darts.
Best leg of darts ever. Just Google best leg of darts ever. It'll come up. It's great. Hey, you're doing that, aren't you?
Yeah. Me as much as I did when I watched it.
Right then, bro. I believe it's a special night in the DMP.
Yes, welcome to the Dog and Partridge Awards. Where we're reviewing all the beers we've had over the year and giving our favourite ones a certificate.
Oh, we are indeed. So it's the 2022 Partridge Awards, basically, yeah.
That is indeed.
But I think we're going to start with a beer, aren't we?
Yes, we're going to start with a beer because obviously 2022, quite a lot happening. And one of those things that happened, probably not the greatest thing happened, was the passing of our beautiful Queen.
Yes.
So, Darkrock brewed Jubilee Ale.
Yes, they did indeed. So here we go. It's an all-grain beer kit. We've got this one. This is one of their craft series things, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's Platinum Jubilee Ale. It comes in a box like that.
If they still do, I think they do.
Right, so this was a limited edition.
Yeah.
You might still be able to get your hands on it. This kit has been launched to celebrate the Queen Elizabeth Platinum Jubilee. It's an easy drinking golden ale, showcasing the finest British brewing ingredients. This recipe has been crafted using a combination of crisp floor malted plumage archer and locally sourced phoenix hops to provide a delicious flavour and aroma with a balanced bitter finish.
Oh, sounds good, doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
Yeah, I think get around that then. Let's
So
see if we
put
can
that
have
down
a
there, look.
nice beer to go through the Dog and Partridge Awards with.
Yeah, we thought we'd have to have a beer because otherwise it'd be very dry.
It'd be very
in the
dry.
wards, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it'd be spitting feathers, man.
It's a bit of fun. So here we go then.
Here we go.
You got yourself one. There you have.
There you go, look, as if by magic.
And now that is crystal.
It is in crystal clear.
I can see you straight through that, bro.
That is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
A nice, light, golden colour. Almost straw-like, I would have
Oh,
said.
it's lively. Oh, that smells good.
It does smell good. Not too overpowering in any way whatsoever, just a nice
No, I'm not getting a punch of
Aroma.
anything, but just a nice
beery aroma.
Yeah, lovely. Going in. Cheers, folks. Oh, by heck.
That's cracking.
Oh, that's not a bad beer to start 2023,
No,
was it?
it's not, is it? That's lovely, light, golden, nice bit of aftertaste.
Oh, yeah, it's got that.
Just that light crispiness you'd want. Just a good session now.
Cracking.
In fact, we're not doing the awards, we're just going to get messed up.
That's it. You cancel the wars, we're having this. Drinking this. That's fantastic. I love that.
Yeah, lovely.
It's just straight with a 10 out of 10 for me. It says lovely, golden, light, refreshing beer with quite a nice bitter aftertaste on the end of it. Yeah, cheers.
Lovely. 10 out of 10, all day long.
Ooh. Straight on the 2023 list then.
Yeah.
Hey! Get started or
We'll get started again. We did have some really good beers last year.
Oh, we had loads.
And we had quite a few. I've done a few more all grains, so we decided to do the all grain list of Partridge 2022.
Yeah.
And
we've had to write them down. We usually do our videos pretty much ad hoc, don't we?
yeah.
Because there's a lot to remember,
Yes.
we have got a little bit of a list to stick to. So, bro, are you going to kick it straight off?
Yes, I'm going to kick it off with all grain clone beer kit.
Ooh,
over
righty-o.
here.
Yes.
Now, there's a lot in this category, as there is in quite a lot of the categories,
Yes.
but we narrowed it down to 3.
Yeah.
They were in no particular order.
Mm-hmm.
Worcester Hop Shop Sheer Drop Best Bitter, Batham's Best Bitter, and Worcester Hop Shop Life and Death.
Yes. So,
Those are the 3
those
nominees.
are the nominees for the All Grain Clone Beer Kit of 2022.
Go for it, bro.
Am I doing the winner?
You're doing the winner.
I'm getting the winner, and the winner is Worcestershire Hop Shop Life and Death American IPA. Hey! And here are these up. We've done all certificates, so hopefully you can see that on camera.
Yeah, Worcester Hop Shop do a Life and Death clone of Life and Death by vocation, if you didn't know.
Yeah.
Get it in Tesco's. It really is one of my favourite beers.
Cracking beer.
This is a really good replica.
So that's the all grain beer kit. We'll if we don't bring that to you, we'll send it to you.
If you don't bring that to you, or if you want to come and collect it, just let me know.
Come here.
Otherwise, we'll send it to you. The runners-up in that category will also receive a nicely.
Yeah, we've done certificates for them as well. Yeah. So everybody gets a certificate. Right, yeah. We've done 5 categories, haven't we? We split these. That was the first one. Yeah. On to the second, Brad.
On to the second, but I just want to go over the news a little bit. Have you seen that news blunder that happened the other week?
Is this anything to do with the royal family?
It could be.
Oh, God.
Somebody released a book.
I'm aware of somebody releasing a book.
And then it was 40 journalists queued outside Waterstones on a wet and windy morning.
Only the media was queued outside Waterstones and nobody else.
One person too. Well, a media fail. It was quite.
I think one person was there, but they weren't there for that book. Anyway. Moving swiftly on.
Moving swiftly on to the next category. The next category is the all grain dark beer.
Do you want me to read these ones out? You can do the winner.
I can do it, love, yes.
The nominees in Dark Beer Kit of the Year are Brew Day, Lenton Lane Chocolate Mild, Malt Miller Elusive Brewing Coffee Porter, and Darkrock Barista Coffee Porter. That's your 3 nominees, Brian.
That's the 3 nominees. Again, all people will receive a runners-up if they're not the winner. But the winner is Darkrock Barista Coffee Porter.
Hey, well done, Darkrock. There we go. Here's your winners.
Now, I know what some people are going to say. They say, well, that wasn't really in 2023. It was meant to be in 2023. I definitely made it in 2023.
2022 even.
2022 even, yes.
Again, the meeting mixed up now. 2022 last year.
Yes. It was meant to be. The video got slightly delayed.
With Christmas and everything else, things got a little bit knocked on, didn't they? But it was made in 2022.
So a slip of burger.
Yeah, it's hard work, this award ceremony business, isn't it? I don't know how to do it, bro.
I don't know how we do it.
Have to pay us. I'll tell you what, if you want us to come and do your awards, we are accepting offers. Right then, I'll do the third one. Here we go then. The third set of awards are for the All Grain Collaboration Beer Kit.
Yeah, again, a lot in this category. There's a lot of breweries, well, a couple of 2, or should I say mainly 2 suppliers, Malt Miller and Brew Day, have got together with some breweries. They've been to the breweries, they've got brew kits together, and they've made brew kits together, and they've come up with what really is a collaboration beer. So there's a lot from Malt Miller, a lot from Dark.
So it's in collab, we call them collab beers, with the actual brewery. So the 3 nominees in this category are Malt Miller, Hackney Brewery Boogie Van, Brew Day, Neon Raptor Batch Hazy, I think it's called.
Yeah.
I think I've Googled it, I think that's right, guys. And Malt Miller Siren Craft Soundwave IPA.
Yes.
Okay. Are you going to do the winner again? I've read through them again, haven't I?
You've read through them again, mate.
I messed it up, but
you messed it up.
You do the winner, mate.
And the winner in that category for the best collaboration beer 2022 is Malt Miller Siren Craft Soundwave IPA.
Soundwave IPA. There you go. It's good. Well done, guys.
Really lovely beer. Really, probably... Yes, one of our favourites of that category. Obviously, our main favourite of that category. I mean, there was lots of favourite. Really, to be honest, we are splitting hairs.
We are splitting hairs because, to be honest, all these beers were fantastic beers.
Yeah.
To get on this list, it had to be a 10 out of 10 anyway.
Indeed, yeah.
So, yeah, we are splitting minute little hairs.
Again, hopefully, you think about coming and collect that one, Malt Miller. If not, I'll post it to you. I will email Malt Miller, see if you want to come collect it. We are far, far, far away.
Far away. We're on the deepest, darkest depths of Lincolnshire.
And Malt Miller's somewhere like Swindon.
Oh dear. Well, if you fancy a trip. Right, are you going to read the next one then, bro?
Yeah, I'm going to read the next category. The next category I've come up with, and again, choosing categories was a little bit difficult, but the next category was probably the biggest category, which is the All Grain Golden IPA Beer Kit of 2022.
A lot of beers in this range, weren't there?
Yeah.
Definitely.
And in no particular order, in this, we finally whittled it down to 3, and the 3, in no particular order, were Darkrock Summer Haze, a Brew Day Eureka Waka IPA, and Malt Miller's Dennis King's Strata Delight.
Well, hey, so the winner of the All Grain Gold IPA beer kit is Brew Day and Eureka Waka. That's not gone for all, is it?
No, not at all. Again, we wanted that to be a one that's not in the other categories, and it's a recipe the guys have come up with themselves, which I was really blown away about. So it wins Best IPA Golden Beer Kit of 2022.
Oh, we've only got one more. That's whizzing through these. I'm going to have another slurp, Brad.
Oh,
cheers, man.
I have seen today, because we've got their rugby on soon.
We have got their rugby on, and me and my brother, if you're unfamiliar with, love our rugby.
Yes.
Yes.
And we didn't even love our Robbie until England nicked our head coach.
Our head coach.
And now our head coach has nicked some of our players to go into our team.
Hated it. It was fairly obvious he was going to do that anyway, wasn't it? We're basically stuffed for the rest of the season.
Anyway, chuff and go.
So, one more category left, bro.
Oh, have we? Is that it?
Well, yes, and then we have something special at the end, don't we?
We'll slip a beer.
Now, do you want me to read this one and you give the winner?
No, I'm going to read these nominees.
He's going to read the nominees. There you go.
The nominees in no particular order, and this category I've called All Grain Best Bitter Beer Kit of 2022.
Yeah.
So just a brown, normal, best standard bitter.
A best bitter.
And again, there was quite a few in the categories,
yeah.
and we whittled it down to the Worcester Hop Shop Sheer Drop Best Bitter,
yeah.
And Darkrock Batham's Best Bitter, and the Malt Miller Exclusive and Sierra Craft and Malt Miller Multiplayer.
I couldn't quite get on. That was for a Women's International Day, wasn't it? I couldn't even get that bit on. It was that long title, that one. Do you want me to do the winner or you do the winner?
No, you can do the winner for that. Can
So
I
the
breathe?
winner in the all grain best beer bitter category is Darkrock Batham's Bitter. We really did like that one.
We've always liked Batham's Bitter. Batham's
Bitter.
Bitter was one of our winners last year, and in his category, really, I don't think anything else can touch it. So, well done, Darkrock again.
Well done, guys. Fantastic. Oh, we're nearly done, aren't we?
We're nearly done.
We're nearly done. I'll let you do this one.
Right, so what we've decided to do, out of all those categories, we've put the 5 winners of those categories together and then tried to decide an overall champion.
Oh, an overall champion beer of 2022?
Yeah. So out of those categories, just like you would do at a beer festival, we've put them all together, we've debated them all, we've changed our mind about 3 times.
More.
And we've come to the conclusion that the best beer kit of 2022, all grade, is...
I'm going to let you read it. Oh, I'm going to read it out. It's Malt Miller Siren Craft Soundwave IPA. Look at the size of this certificate. Well done, guys.
Well done, guys. Yeah,
beer.
really impressed by that beer kit, and you got together with the guys there at Sir Craft. Yeah, beautiful beer, really good. All
Just stunning.
Just stunning beer.
Stunning.
Did watch back all through the videos as well to see exactly how our beer notes and beer tastes were.
Many a Friday night, worrying pen on paper was done over these awards, so I hope you appreciate them.
And a few beers were sunk, and then we had to change our mind because we didn't
There
quite
was
get it
quite a
right.
lot of beer involved drinking while deciding what were the best beers, wasn't it?
You got to, haven't you?
Got to be done, hasn't it?
Got to be done. Right then, bro. Do you want to tell the viewers at home some very important news, or shall I?
What's the very important news, bro?
Thanks to all your people at home, we are now on 2,000 subscribers.
Yes! Party. Oh, thank you very much. Thanks, folks. 2,000 subscribers. 2,000 people, just 2, waffling on about beer.
Great, isn't it? And we do have subscribers all around the world.
We
We
do
do have some from America and South Eastern Australia. Hello, guys down there. Yeah, thank you very much for subscribing.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you. Thanks for all your comments. It's lovely.
You're going to tell them what's coming
I was
next?
going to say, this is obviously a bit of an anomaly video. We will be back to the norm next time when we'll be tasting beer, and it looks like we've got Darkrock Equinox Winter Napier. Is that right?
That's right, bro. Yeah.
I've got it right.
Yeah, it's another one of those limited edition ranges from Darkrock. They did a winter range and released a winter Napier.
Why, yeah. Okay, Brew Day Charles Farm Stout.
Yeah, Brew Dave got together with a company that does hops mainly,
Oh, okay.
and they decided to come up with some beer kits. Obviously, the hop company is Charles Farm, and done a stout. And some other beer kits as well.
Lovely Jubilee.
And there is another beer kit, but
I was going to say, it's usually 3, but there's only 2 on the list.
Well, I've had to take this one off, and I've had to put on Munton's Winter Warmer. Now, that's an extract kit. It's one of their craft ranges. So I thought I'd give that
What do
a
you mean
go.
take this off? This isn't going nowhere.
Well, it's not on next time, is it, you wife?
Well, it won't be. Because you're going to get demolished before then. There you go. Right, is that about it for this evening then, bro?
That's about it. I hope you've enjoyed the 22 Dog and Partridge Golden Awards. I say, if anybody wants to come and collect their award, please email and be a guest in our bar. Otherwise, I will try and get to probably Brew Day, our closest one, and bring your certificate as well. So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. It's the 2023.
It's 2023.
Ooh.
Until next time, everyone, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him.
Huzzah!
To the king.
To the king.